Hello guys, have you seen my new Twitter post? I'm gonna make a new video. Look, see? Look. Now reply to me right now, guys. Okay, hang on. Now I'm gonna show you how to make a Papa John's pizza app. Look, you see right here? App Epic. I know there's a duplication, but I just already changed the code. If you see, for example, I did just like this. It did press copy, then press copy element. Well, let's get started. Now, before we begin, please like and subscribe if it still works for you. Now, what we are gonna do is to do right now is to open image in new tab, just like that. I'll put it all the way down because that's my favorite tab, guys. That's just my favorite. Yeah, I did it just like that. Now what we're gonna do is to let me see. Copy image address. Now what we're gonna do is to inspect. Now, when you have a bid photo, this will just easily get even rid of these words over there I've been talking about. Edit as HTML. Remember, it starts with assets. And then even look for SRC, guys. Well, if it's not for you, I think you did something wrong. Well, follow my rule today, guys. Now, what else? Oh, okay. We got to inspect. Now we're gonna do. Wait, hold up. It says create account. Oh, I forgot. Okay, I'll get only rid of Twitter because I don't like any room. Okay, if I click on it, there's something recent. Where is it? Where is it? Comment down below. Alright, nothing. Account. No, no account. Image. Let me see. It looks like this one. This photo. Well, if you even want to copy the link, I got the link. I'll pause. Just right over there. Okay? If you got it right now, well, comment down below. If you don't, now even rewind the video back. Now it's inspect. Now what we're gonna do is to make it, we can still, okay, I don't see anything. Oh, there it is. Okay. Now edit as HTML. Let me just see. Where's the SRC? Aha, there it is. Now we're gonna delete this link to make it real. Now we're gonna do to paste. Now, if I click anything, it will be saved. For example, when I make any command I want, it will just pop up. See? Now what we're gonna do is to replace it of your name to create account. I just even know you want to read more all about this. Yeah. Alright, it's time to delete mailbox and my buddy. It's time, guys. Now we're gonna do is to even delete element. Delete this element too. Now even delete this element. What? How it's still alive? I just like delete it. Okay, last one to go. Okay, come on. Come on, I need to do this. Delete element. Yes. And it's still there for some reason. Thank you. Thank you. Good. And there's some blank. So just delete that element. Good. Now what we're gonna do is to delete my buddy. Okay, take 2. Last one. There you go. Now it's still here. So we're gonna still delete this element. Delete element. Now one more command left. There you go. Now what we're gonna do is to replace my library into my favorites. I know we just missed that right now, guys. Favorites. Okay, it comes like this. Okay, there you go. Explore will be home. There you go. Good. Good. Now, it's time to do right now is to... Okay, nope. I think we are not done with the search bar yet. Let me see. Let me just think. Let me see. Okay. So this time, I think I just know. I did this yesterday. No, I did this yesterday, guys. I did this yesterday. Now what we're gonna do is to delete element. Now it's not here right now. Well, it's still here. And there's a lot of points. There you go. Now, we got 3 commands left. Okay, just never mind. I think we got no more. Okay, it's time to do is to say create pizza. Now it's time. It's time to add the plus sign. It comes up just like that. Now let's copy image address. Now what we're gonna do right now is only replace the C is to src, the src command. Only replace it, then also paste when you got rid of the link, just like that. It's out. Look at that. Okay, hang on. There's some mouse controlling me over there. Okay. What's still there for no reason? Delete element. Good. Now that's the goodest place I need. Now, it's time to replace it. Yep, it's time to replace this, guys. Now what we're gonna do is to edit it as HTML. Now what we're gonna do right now is to replace it to how to make pizza. I don't know about these words I made. How to order pizza. So that is still good, guys. Now, let's get the question mark images. Now, it comes just like this or this. Well, even comment down below what's your favorite question mark images. Well, I decided to choose this one. The exact thing. Copy image address. Now let's get rid of this link. When you got rid of that link, and there's no link left, well, it's time to paste it. Now it's out. Look at that. Now the next one will be audiobooks. Audiobooks, guys. Well, if you even want to even handle this, I meant something like you handle a document from this section, create pizza, is still normal, absolutely. Audiobooks will be a duplication. Okay, it's time to do this, guys. Last one. Yep, last one. So what we're gonna do right now is to inspect. Now we're gonna do right now. Okay, let's press this button again. Okay, now we're gonna do is to inspect. And it has HTML. Let me see here. There it is. Now, search. Now it's gonna to say right now. It's gonna be search by any type of pizza or boxes. Okay. No periods. So that's good, guys. Hang on. Yes, but I'm still making a video. Okay, so what we're gonna do right now is to look at this. It says search by any type of pizza or boxes. Now what we're gonna do right now is to look and see. Let's switch to the camera. So let's open the image in a new tab. Okay. But we don't need this new tab anymore. Now, what we're gonna do right now is to inspect. Now what we're gonna do is to edit as HTML. Okay, let's get rid of this link. Now, what we're gonna do right now is to paste it. There you go. Now, it's time. Wait. Hold up. I think that's the same that I did. Yeah, hang on. I'll copy image address, guys. Okay. So I replaced the link. So let's get rid of this link. Of course, that's my fault, guys. I should copy image address. I always forgot. All the time. At every tomorrow when I make a video. And I don't know when I'm gonna make the next video at. Okay. There you go. That's good. And it has HTML. Now what we're gonna do right now is to replace it as, let me see, photo search or type. There you go. That's out. Look at that, guys. So we are gonna make a duplication. So it's inspect again. Now what we're gonna do is to make the whole thing. It's copy element. Now what we're gonna do right now is to X out. Now what we're gonna do is to inspect it again. Now what we're gonna do is to try this again. We are almost there, guys. Now what we're gonna do is to edit as HTML. Now what we're gonna do right now is to get rid of this link. Good. Now what we're gonna do is to paste it. Paste. There you go. Let me see if there's any words missing here. Well, we will do that when we X out. Now it's inspect again. Now okay. It's backspace. Now we're gonna do as any type of pizza of your files. Okay, let me see I got that right. Okay, now that's out. Look at that, guys. You cannot believe this. Well, I'm just gonna test it after this video. Well, that's it. So that's how you're gonna make a Papa John's Pizza app. Bye.